If you want to know more about RUDN University, watch this video. Hello world, my name is Thandeka and I would like to tell you my story. First, I would like to say a few words about my family. I grew up in a very large family. There are 17 of us. Yes, this is not a joke. I have been studying in RUDN for over a year now. The profession that I've chosen may seem a little bit strange to you, at least because there is a preponderance of designers, journalists, lawyers on the labor market. But for me, this is a specialty very important. I am a future agronomist. This profession is in high demand in my home country, which is the Republic of South Africa. In short, geographically, the Republic of South Africa embraces various climate zones from deserts to subtropics, which extremely complicates any agricultural activities. It is only 11% of the territory is suitable for cultivating. I hope to find a solution to the existing problem which my country is experiencing. Studying in a foreign country and moreover in a foreign language was a kind of a challenge for me. But RUDN University has a preparatory faculty which helped me adopt and learn Russian for my further trainings. Who could imagine that a university has its own greenhouse? Yes, on the roof. RUDN University does. We have practical trainings there. We calculate correct dosages of mineral fertilizers. We organize a system of protection measures for agricultural crops. What for? It's easy. We do it to improve crop yields and protect the negative impact. Everyone has their favorite subject, and I am not an exception from that. I am fond of botany and fruit growing. Yes, you may call me a nerd. But of course, it will take me years to overcome the problem which my home country has. But I am sure that I will be able to make my contribution into solving and turning the Republic of South Africa into an agricultural paradise. I am very grateful to the RUDN University, Russia, for such an opportunity. I will always remember you.